po, sabay-sabay po natin kakanta ng isang magandang happy birthday song si Baby Akio. At syempre, mas maganda yan kung may music, please. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yung mas malakas at may energy. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Tagalog naman! Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang, maligayang bati. Ayan, due to honor na rin po, Mommy, Daddy, since 1-year-old pa lang po si Baby Akio, kayo na lang po ang mag-close your eyes and make a wish. Ay, close your eyes and make a wish po. Ayan, tama po yan. Para pagmulat nyo po, wala na kaming lahat. Charot lang. May all your wishes come true. Loda ka daw. Ayan, isang mga kapalok para kay Baby Akio. Ayan, syempre, for the last time, sabay-sabay ulit natin batiin si Baby Akio ng isang malakas na happy birthday! Count of 1, 2, 3, and go! Ayan, at syempre, Mommy, Daddy, this is your chance. Sige po, mga muna po tayo lahat.